So innovation is one of those terms that is so widely used that it's often misunderstood. The favourite definition I have comes from The Economist magazine that describes innovation as fresh thinking that creates value. I like that because it's about fresh thinking, not necessarily new thinking. So it's about approaching problems in a new way, and it's about creating value. It's about delivering a real world impact to people that they care about. What does that mean in practice? It means solving problems. It means tackling either a medical disease or a traffic problem or some way of getting from A to B more effectively and doing that in a way that people will value. That's what innovation means to me. As I think about the kinds of skills that Australians are going to need for an innovative future, a couple of things come to mind. The first is a risk appetite, an appetite to try things, to fail and to iterate, to try again and ultimately be successful. Because we know that innovation and entrepreneurs only succeed by trying and trying and trying again and being prepared to take that risk and try something that's new. So that's the first thing I think is really, really important. The second thing that's critical is what are called the science, technology, engineering and mathematics disciplines. So many of the industries and the jobs of the future are going to be underpinned by those kinds of technologies, those capabilities, and either be directly applicable in those roles or help people to understand those roles. So we really want to see the science, technology, engineering, mathematics literacy of the Australian workforce lifted across the board. There's a lot of talk around the country from time to time that Australians are somehow risk averse or not inclined to innovate. But actually what I see as I travel around the country is pockets where there's really strong levels of innovation, really strong levels of engagement with kind of risk taking that we need to drive innovation. So I don't see that there's any truth in this idea that Australians are somehow not innovative. What we do need to do is to make that innovative culture, make that culture of risk-taking much more widespread across the whole economy so that everyone sees an opportunity to further their interests and further their career prospects by taking risks, by innovating and creating new value. That's the long-term cultural change that I think we need to take, but I'm very optimistic that the seeds of that change are already in evidence around the country.